it with our basic to leaders left, ladies right. Going 1, 2, 3. Lift that left hand 4. Bring the lady into cuddle. 5, 6, 7. Side by side 8. Walking forward and back. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. You can also do some different styling with your feet. 1, 2, 3. Cross behind 4 with your tap. 5, 6, 7. Cross in front. 8 with your tap. All right. Now, guys, you're going to pull the right hand, sending the lady out that way. 1, 2. Ladies go down 3. Hand up 4. Remember, keep that elbow straight. Bring the lady in. Hand on the head. 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Change sides, bringing the lady to your left elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand becomes dominant. Pull the lady that way. 5, 6. Turn yourself. 7, 8. Basic and you're done. And that's everything for this week, guys. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye, everybody.